Did you know that something as simple as the right plant in your home could change your financial future? It sounds a bit like magic, right? Well, in Feng Shui, certain plants are believed to attract wealth, abundance, and positive energy into your life. But how does it work? And which plants are the best to bring prosperity into your space? Let's explore how these green companions can become more than just home decor. They could become the secret to creating a flow of prosperity in your life. Money plants have long been associated with fortune and prosperity. From the coin plant with its round coin-like leaves to the jade plant, often called the lucky plant, these plants aren't just beautiful, they're considered essential tools in the art of Feng Shui. The money tree is another top pick, often seen in offices and homes alike. Its braided stems are believed to promote interconnectedness and longevity, making it a great choice for anyone wanting to attract both financial success and personal growth. Another powerhouse in the world of money plants is the golden pothos. With its trailing vines and ability to thrive in a variety of lighting conditions, it's perfect for framing the wealth center of your home, or simply adding life to any space. Just make sure to keep it out of the reach of pets, as it can be toxic to animals. The Swiss cheese plant, known for its unique split leaves, is another fan favorite. It's believed to help with growth and abundance, making it perfect for areas associated with wealth. But like most of these plants, it does need a little TLC, especially when it comes to watering and light. And we can't forget about the silver dollar vine. This plant, with its small succulent leaves, is thought to bring prosperity to any home, especially when placed in a sunny window. These plants are not just about their looks. They represent growth, flexibility, and a sense of abundance. In Feng Shui, plants help balance energy in your space, restore connection with nature, and create a thriving environment. By choosing the right plant and placing it in the right spot, you can literally invite prosperity into your life. Now, you might be wondering, where do I put them? If you're looking to maximize the energy of these plants, consider placing them in your home's wealth center. In Feng Shui, the wealth corner is in the far left corner of a room, and it's said to be the spot that attracts abundance and fortune. But don't worry, even if you don't have the perfect Feng Shui setup, these plants will still do their job by promoting good energy, growth, and positive vibes. So if you're looking to give your space a boost, why not try adding one of these money plants into your home or office? Whether it's for prosperity, growth, or just a bit of extra good fortune, these plants offer much more than just a pop of greenery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use some good energy. And as always, keep your plants happy and thriving.